Tattoos used to be something that were considered quite rebellious, but now they're so common that we all know someone that's got 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or even more tattoos. But just as getting tattoos are just as popular, so is removing them. In Australia, 22% of men aged 20 to 29 have at least 1 tattoo, and of women the same age bracket, 29% have at least 1 tattoo. Statistics tell us that 34% of those with tattoos regret having it, and that number's steady on the rise. Now, with the rise in the amount of people looking to have tattoos removed, means there are more and more practitioners opening up shop to cash in on the growing economy of tattoo removal. So it's more important than ever to know as much as possible about tattoo removal and find a qualified and licensed laser technician. The Q-switch lasers can remove almost any tattoo on any skin type. Q-switch lasers work by shattering the ink into smaller fragments so the body can naturally excrete it. These lasers are set to different wavelengths depending on the skin type, the location and colour of the tattoo. The Q-switch lasers work by generating a short pulse at 1,000th million of a second. The pulse is what shatters the tattoo particles that the body's immune system can remove. It is important to know that through this process, only 1 layer of ink can be worked on at a time. So to remove a tattoo properly, it takes up to 4 to 10 sessions with 6-week intervals. As I mentioned, it is so important to find a tattoo removalist who has a lot of experience, the right licensing, the right qualifications, and of course, the right equipment. For more in-depth information on the process of tattoo removal and the kind of licensing and qualification that a removalist should have, click on the More Info button, which is next to this video, or you can click on a Find a Clinic button, which will find a clinic near you. And if you still have more questions, make sure you email us at help@wickedbeauty.com.au.